Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and to subscribe. Welcome. Today, I'm actually unboxing a few stuff that I bought on Amazon. Yeah, a few stuff that I bought on Amazon. So, the first thing I bought on Amazon, and I want you guys to go subscribe and like this person's video. Watch Queen. Hold on, guys. Let me get the name properly. Sorry, got it wrong. Jamaican Black Queen. Go look her up, guys. It's a yellow background for the thing. Go subscribe to her channel. She recommended me buying this flower seed. It's called zinnia. So I just ordered them because I'm gonna plant them. She said they're very beautiful. They're my first time trying them, so I'm gonna plant them this weekend. And I also bought some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. I bought from them before and they were awesome. The peppers last year was amazing, guys. My husband took so many pictures and sent to his mom. So I'm gonna plant these Jamaican hot pepper again. I'm gonna plant them too as well. But one of the most important things that I bought, I'm coming up to that, guys, is I bought this thing, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the washing machine. So what it does is it allows your washing machine to dry. So it's like a thing that you hold, you put on the machine door, it sticks to it, and when the machine is finished, you have it hold it, and I'm going to show you in a second. So this was definitely a good buy. If you guys remember, so the next thing that I got, guys, is the faucets. I bought my previous faucet from Temu. There was a missing part. I think this is the part that was missing, and so now I have it. And here is the faucet, and I can't wait for you guys to see when it gets installed. This is what it looks like, and to stay tuned for the installation. I think it's gonna be amazing. So just make sure you don't miss a vlog, because I'm gonna install that. I'm gonna tag it too under the video. So I got that one, and there, all the faucets and the lights are giving trouble now in my house. You know, one thing I can tell you about buying a builder grade home is that the manufacturers who build the homes, they build them with cheap stuff, and they break after a while. So in my tub, the water for the bath, the knob for the bath keep falling off from the very first day we move in. Never got tightened, and I'm just tired of it now. So what I bought is, and I'm gonna make you guys see that installation. I bought the new faucet to go over the bathtub like this. And I'm trying to make the bathroom have a more sleek, modern look. And so we're gonna do that together, okay? So it's more than one of them. I think it's 3 of them. So one right here. I don't know where the others are because it's, oh, yeah, they're here. One for hot water heater. One for, here's the other one, guys. We have 2, one for hot water, one for the other one, and it turns on and turned off. And so once I post these videos, once I install them, I will definitely let you guys see. I'm trying to get my handyman to come out and do it. I don't want to use TaskRabbit anymore, guys. I just don't want to use them anymore. And so I'm just going to get a plumber to come out and install them in one settings. And that's going to be it. So these were my Amazon find. If you like any of these stuff, let me know. I think I like this more than anything because of how versatile it is and how classy it looks. So when it's on the bathtub, it's like fall over the bathtub like that, and it's just, you know, I have brush nickel in my bathroom, so I'm going to change everything out to matte black, all the faucet out to matte black, and make it has a more sleek, modern look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I was talking about. So Sorry guys, my phone got paused for a while, but I'm going to show you what I was talking about, the thing being on the washer. So come with me. Let's close the door. So I use this to once the washer stops, I leave the door open so inside the washer could dry, and this thing right here will be the thing that holds it out, you know, so that way the washer dry properly and there's no mold inside the dry washer. I've never had problem with mold and drying, but I'm just making sure that, you know, yeah. But so far I really love it. Yeah. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If this is your first time watching, I really appreciate you checking out my live, checking out my videos. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the matte black put it in the kitchen. I'm just going to change to something else. I wanted to still keep brushed nickel, but I have a change of heart. So once the faucets are installed, I will definitely show you where they're going to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.